channel. I hope you are all doing well. So if you are new here, my name is Exauce. Welcome to this channel. So on today's video, as you guys can see from the title, I'm going to review this beautiful wig just here. So if you're interested, make sure to stay and let's get into it. So this hair is from Bgmgirl. Thank you so much, Bgmgirl, for sending me this hair. As you guys can see, the packaging is just so cute. I love the way you can just like carry it. So cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it and show you guys everything that you can find inside the box. When you open the box, you're gonna find this pink bag inside. Like the pink is very bright, it's very beautiful. So let me show you guys what I got inside. It came with this wig cap and also a HD wig cap. Yes, HD. And I got these lashes and I got this edge control brush, I don't know what you call it, and also with this elastic band as well. It came with this leaflet. This leaflet shows you what to do, how to maintain the hair, how to install the hair, how to care for the hair step by step. How great is that? And also it came with this bonnet. Like I was wearing my black bonnet, but I had to change it straight away because this pink, yeah, it was just too cute. Just look at that. So beautiful. And I was just feeling myself. I was just feeling cute. So guys, let's get into this hair. So the hair is a glueless wig from Bgmgirl. It's M cap wear and go wig. Absolutely beautiful. I got mine in 24 inches. It is straight 24 inches black hair. Absolutely beautiful. So the lace, it is a high quality HD lace, seamlessly blends with your skin tone, creating a remarkable natural hairline. Lace expanded to 9x6, eliminating worries about the hairline. You can easily style your hair behind the ears. Like it comes bleached, like already bleached. Everything is done for you. It's already cut, already bleached. As you can see, the lace is HD high quality, like absolutely beautiful. It comes with this elasticated band as a bag, which will give you extra hold as well. Like you don't have to worry about anything. Even in winter, it stays secure. Don't worry about being blown away by the wind. Like you are secured, baby, like extra security. It comes with these removable combs, providing extra stability. They can be moved to comfortable position and removed when not needed. Absolutely great. Like you can just remove it, put it back whenever you feel like you just cut that option and it's just great. As you can see, the hair is so beautiful, very sleek. Guys, it does not shed at all. I tried it so many times. It does not shed. It's very soft, very beautiful, good quality hair. Absolutely. So I'm just going to show you guys what I've done to it. You don't have to do much with the hair. Like honestly, you don't have to do much with this hair. Very easy. Let's go step by step. So first of all, I had to put on my head, obviously. Very easy. Can you see that lace? Lace where? Lace where? Tell me where's the lace. It just blends so perfectly. So perfectly. Literally just matches my skin, my makeup so perfectly. So I just went ahead and used my wax stick. I had to make sure that hair is flat as possible. So as you can see, I just used the wax stick and then I went ahead with the hot comb to make sure it is flat as I wanted it.
I hate you. You like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you a lady.
I like my hair very straight, extra straight. So I made sure to straighten the hair. It was very easy to do. I did not use any product on the hair apart from the wax stick. Yes, that's all I use. And yeah, guys, that's all. Like I just brushed the hair. Can you see that? No, but like just look at it. Beautiful. Like I don't have to say much. You just have to look at it and see it for yourself. No more talking. Just look at it.
If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets till it's dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. 24 hours. about you as real as they come. But you would rather be on them drugs. I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that, you know that well. When I throw that, better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day to run the streets in the dark out, to come through and blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone, no, no. House. Just.
So guys, all the details of the hair will be linked below if you feel like you want to buy it. Every details, all the information will be down below, so please go ahead and check it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for being here with me. I appreciate your time. Go ahead and like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you have not done it yet. I don't know what you're waiting for, but this is the opportunity to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And guys, if you don't follow me on TikTok, Instagram or Instagram, please go ahead and follow me for more videos. It will be good to have you there. I'm waiting for you. Yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets in the dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. 24 hours.